Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the Tapioca Airdrop. This is a project built and backed by layerzero. So doing this, you are going to do also transactions on layerzero. So this is a 2-per-1 airdrop. And it's a borrow lending Omnichain Protocol. So it's really interesting, the technology that we are going to find on this project. And we are going to do, like always in my step-by-step videos, how you can participate on this possible airdrop. I'm going to show you the most important information about this protocol and how you are going to do everything in order to participate on the airdrop, and many information regarding the project, so you really know what you are doing on this. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, Tapioca Airdrop is a confirmed airdrop. This is an Omnichain borrowing, lending and leveraging project, an Omnichain stablecoin in USDO, O for Omnichain. I'm going to show you an article where it explains what this stablecoin is and the token tap for the protocol, the Tapioca. This project is powered on layerzero, so we get the potential airdrop from the two projects. And Tapioca DAO successfully raised 6 million investment from tier 1 funds, with layerzero itself among the investors. In the website itself you don't have too much information, just the social media links and the documentation links. In the documentation you can find this USDO, birth of the Omnichain decentralized dollar. It would be good if you can check this and understand what this token is. It's very interesting how with layerzero many things are going to be Omnichain from now on. And for more deep information, you have the Tapioca Docs website, where you can go here to token economy and you have more information about how the TAP token is going to work on the protocol. And it's very important the usage of layerzero here, because you are going to be able to send, because the TAP token is going to be compatible with any other AVM or no AVM chain, because you basically burn the token in one place and minting in another chain. So this is the functionality of layerzero with layerzero OFT20, the version 2, the Omnichain fungible token. So really important information about the technology aspect, and also what they call OTAP here in the protocol, and the Omni dollar, like I mentioned, USDO. So all this information is going to be here in one of the links on the step-by-step. In terms of community, the Twitter almost 30,000 followers, and in the Discord there's around 15,000. One thing to mention is if you join the Discord, you're going to be able to go here to the Testnet and info links, and everything is going to be there too. You have the general chat where you can ask anything about the different things on the testnet. Now guys, let's go to the step-by-step on how to get the Tapioca airdrop, this possible airdrop. So step 1 and step 2 is follow them on Twitter and Discord. It's going to be needed for many other things in this step-by-step. So go and follow Tapioca DAO in Twitter and Discord. The step 3, we are going to use the Arbitrum Goerli chain for this video. This is an Omnichain protocol, so you can do it with another testnet, but I'm going to use Arbitrum Goerli. If you don't have it, step 3 is go to chain list, that is the link. Click on include testnets, and here you have the Arbitrum Goerli, so add it to MetaMask. That will be your step 3. Step 4, you can claim Ethereum on your Arbitrum Goerli. So here we use the faucet of QuickNote. You basically connect your wallet, select Arbitrum here and select Goerli from here, put your address, click on continue. You can claim 0.05 if you tweet this or not and get a 0.02. So you can see I have 0.18 AGOR. This is what is the Ethereum for Arbitrum Goerli. It's called AGOR, so that is fine. Now we are going to go to the beta of the Tapioca project. We are going to click on the token and mint some wrap Ethereum and GLPM from the Tapioca testnet. So here in testnet, I already got some wrap Ethereum here on Goerli, you can see. So this time I will get some GLPM, so I will select that and I will click on mint. and I will click on mint here. So we are minting here on the Goerli of Arbitrum, and you can see I need to pay this transaction with AGOR token. That is why we needed the tokens before. And you can see the mint was successful, so we can start now using the protocol. You can come back here in 24 hours and claim more tokens if you want here. Now that we already mint some of the tokens there on step 5, we move to step 6, which is let's test all the functions of the site, like mint, borrow and lend. So from here I go to mint. Remember, I am still connected with Arbitrum Goerli. I'm going to check here on wrap Ethereum M. I will click there. I have 2.0 and I will put 1 here to mint USDO. I will click on mint and I will click on mint to confirm this. I need to pay the transaction gas, of course. First I signed the request. And now I pay the gas. And this has been completed. I deposit 1 wrapped Ethereum M and I borrow 913 USDO. This is happening on Arbitrum Goerli. Then you can go to mint again and you can connect with Phantom, with Matic or AVAX testnets. Right now you can see my LTV, this is a 50%, and I have USDO in my wallet, 913. This is what I deposit, how much I minted, and my monthly interest right now. So now I can go and borrow, and I will check here GLPM, which I have balance from the mint that I did. I will click at 25% and I will borrow 728 USDO with my GLPM. So I will click on borrow. Again, click on borrow. Sign the signature request here. There are 3 that you need to do. And the transaction is being fired. Click on confirm. And you have been done this complete. And in borrow, you can see my positions. This is what I have been borrowing. Now I can go to lend and do the same. And in this case, I will lend some USDO. So I will put 500 and I will lend this. Click on lend and confirm. Signature complete, and now I need to confirm the transactions. Remember that I am doing this on Arbitrum Goerli. You can do it in any other of the testnets. And here guys, the teleport your asset across 4 chains. This is not like a bridge. Like it says here, welcome to the Omnichain future, where bridges are dead. You can now teleport your asset instantaneously with no slippage, wait times or fees through layerzero OFT, which is Omnichain Functional Tokens. This is a super standard. So in order to do this, for example, I will click on USDO and I will move 20 into another of these chains like Polygon Mumbai. So I will click on teleport and I will click on teleport. This is super amazing if you are understanding what we are doing here. This is beyond bridge tokens from one place to another. This is actually burning the tokens from one chain and minting the tokens on another chain. That is actually what is happening behind. And some of the bridge could take like 5 minutes, and you can see this was approximately less than 1 minute. After you do step 6, we go to step 7, which is leave a feedback on the feedback button on the site. So here you can see the feedback button. The feedback button right now is behind me, so you may not see it, but click it and click on provide feedback. You can complete this and put your wallet. This probably will help you for the airdrop, so please do this. Don't forget to do this step. Now we go to step 8, which is let's take roles on guild. This is a step 8, super easy to do also. You are already familiar with the guild. You need to connect and get your roles on Discord. So that is why step 2 is follow them on Discord. You will need this. The first one is the Pearl Clover. You need to own one of these NFTs. This is in OpenSea, so you can go and take it there. Then the pearlers here you need to put this on your Twitter account and follow Tapioca on Twitter, so that is why step 1 was important. And the rest ones is to be included in a allow list, so just click there and go to those, and you are going to be able to claim all these roles. Not sure if all these roles are important for the airdrop, but it's part of what I saw on the different information that I get for this video. Guys, and step 9 is a link to a call of the project on YouTube. This is from the official Tapioca DAO YouTube channel. You can check this, it's almost 1 hour, but you are going to have some information about the project. It's quite interesting if you want to know more. And step 10, this is another info link. This is the tokens of the protocol, something that I covered on the first part of the video. There you can understand a little more technically how this worked on layer 0 and everything on that. So this is all for Tapioca Airdrop. This is a confirmed airdrop working on layer 0 and actually backed by layer 0. And if you are interested in more airdrops, please go to cryptocurrencystate.net. Check my latest videos, all these are airdrops. 80% of my channel is regarding airdrops, so you can go to the video section and check everything that I have been doing. Of course, you have layer 0 Zksync, and if you really want to know everything about one project, just search it here. You will get all my tips on Zksync airdrop, for example. And if this is your first time here, remember that I have a private Discord and an application for the airdrops. My private Discord, we are around 300 people. We manage high level of information there. Everything about new airdrops distribution, so you don't miss your tokens after you apply, because we apply to hundreds of airdrops, so you may lose track of your airdrops. We have a channel for that there. We also are behind BRC20 airdrops. Many people is doing money with that, and many other things about crypto in general and airdrops, meme coins and more. And this is a video. There are 2 videos here on how my app works. This is an application that I created where you can go and apply to the different airdrops of my channel, but also to apply to airdrops of another sources, so you can put your custom airdrops there and then have everything organized. This is going to help you even if you are farming airdrops with multiple wallets. It's going to help you. Guys, that is all for this Tapioca airdrop. This is the layer 0 project and actually backed by layer 02. So really important project right now on the crypto space with new technology bringing by layer 0. And before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Follow me at Twitter at CryptoSystate. There I post live action stuff where I am doing research about airdrops or actually applying to airdrops. So the recent information that I post is going to be in Twitter. That will be all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.